At eto na naman tayo mga boss, mga master. At kamusta kayo dyan mga butet? At may video na naman tayong panonorin at pag-uusapan ngayon. At umpisa natin at matakot.
This next clip comes from an urban explorer investigating an abandoned location in Indonesia. Let's take a look and see what unfolds, what eerie sights are caught on camera, and whether this unsettling phenomenon will leave you terrified. Let's watch. You'll notice the camera passes right by a woman standing in the darker detail the explorer didn't even seem to notice at the time. But if you think the scene ends there, you'd be mistaken. Watch closely to see what happens next. So, what do you think about this clip? Is it genuine paranormal activity, or just a well-crafted hoax? As always, I'll leave the final verdict up to you. What do you think?
Sa tingin ko ewan lang. Kaya sabi mo nga kayo na bahala ang humusga.
Keep an eye on the person or the figure that appears.
Take ko.
But
May nahagip.
But what could this be? Or could this be that appeared in the recording? Could it be just an intruder? Or could it be something paranormal? A spirit? Well, it's a very curious video. Maybe it could be staged, maybe it could be a person who was there, but I don't rule out the possibility of it being something paranormal. Now imagine playing a prank on someone and suddenly you're the one who is completely scared.
Nakasuot lang ng ng itim
So what about it? Could it be a real case or something staged? That is for you to decide. Comment down below.
Parang lang para sa akin parang di totoo. Pero ewan ko sa inyo.
This clip comes from a TikToker who was filming a video with a deer in the background when something completely unexpected happened. Let's take a look, see if you notice it. If you look closely in the background, you'll see a faint figure lurking in the shadows. Is it an ordinary person or an unknown creature quietly watching from afar? Pay close attention as we take a nearer look. What could this mysterious figure actually be? And why is it standing there in silence? Take a close look and decide for yourself. Is it just a trick of light or something far more unsettling? Pretty sure he was looking for where the sound was coming from, but I stopped and started talking and now he's confused.
Nasaan yung usa? Yun yung usa. May nakaano nga.
Since the recording isn't clear, you can't tell what that was. However, it doesn't look like an animal. It looks like a person, but a totally sinister and frightening person. He believes he filmed some unknown creature that day, something that lives in that forest, and that his sound also attracted that creature. Now a real recording or something staged. What do you think?
Nothing. Pero hindi mo naman ma-identify kung tao ba o baka kasama niya lang din, no? Hindi mo makita yung mukha kung ano yung tsura talaga Malay niya, di ba, doon nakatira lang yan or kasama niya. Pero ewan na lang natin kung anong pangyayari naganap doon panahon na yun, di ba?
This recording was posted on Reddit. A recording that was captured by a baby monitor camera. A father was returning to his home and was checking his baby surveillance camera. He was looking at the camera on his phone, and that's when he saw a very strange figure that was hovering over the crib. Pay attention.
Tahimik yung bata, yung baby. Ayun! Ayun, Ang laking orbs,
He saw that strange figure and quickly called his wife, who was in the bathroom. When the mother went to the baby to see what it was, there was nothing there. There were no insects, smoke, nothing near the crib. So what could this have been?
Pati sa likod din,
People who watched this video believe it was a ghost and that this house is haunted and the best thing to do would be to move out. Well, what do you think? Could it be something that passed in front of the camera? A recording glitch, or was it truly supernatural evidence that happened here in this footage?
Kasi sa
A
likod
ghostly
siya dumaan
presence that appeared in this recording. I want to know your opinion on this video down below.
Orbs sa likod ng camera, ng crib Hindi naman sa harapan ng camera at paano lumabas Kaya hindi maaaring usok o
This
insect.
footage captures a tragic road accident, but keep your eyes on the truck passing by. Something deeply unsettling was caught on camera alongside it. Is this real? Or how can an apparition like this even be explained? Let's take a look and watch closely.
Usok lang yung kanina Ano yan?
Did you catch it? If you missed it, take a closer look at the back of the speeding truck. A figure is standing there, leaving viewers baffled given how fast the vehicle was moving. Staying balanced in that position seems nearly impossible. Some speculate this could be the Grim Reaper itself, appearing right before a tragic accident happens. But whether it's the Reaper or a terrifying illusion, it leaves the judgment to you. Tell us what you think in the comments below.
Parang ano naman yun. Wait, balik natin
Nearly impossible. Some speculate
So may nangyaring trahedya na banggaan o Tapos Grim Reaper
missed it.
daw yan.
Take a closer look at the back of the speeding truck. A figure is standing there, leaving viewers baffled given how fast the vehicle was moving. Staying
Ayan, Baka meron talaga nakalagay dyan yan. Hindi naman
balanced in
siguro,
that position seems nearly impossible. Some speculate this could be the Grim Reaper itself, appearing right before a tragic accident happens. But whether it's the Reaper or a terrifying illusion, it leaves the judgment to you. Tell us what you think in the comments below.
Kasi makikita mo, hindi naman gumagalaw yung yung damit Ayun, dapat kung mabilis yung takbo nung truck nga na yun, dapat kahit konti man lang may hangin, di ba? Nahanginan yung damit niya. Pero wala namang gumagalaw
Nearly impossible. Some speculate this could be the Grim
Pero
Reaper
malay
itself,
lang natin, no?
appearing
Diba?
right
Kayo na lang
before a
bahala
tragic
kung
accident
ganito.
happens. But whether it's the Reaper or a terrifying illusion, it leaves the judgment to you. Tell us what you think in the comments below. When a knock echoes at your door late at night, is your first instinct to open it right away? Common sense
Ayun, no?
tells us to keep the door locked and demand to know who is standing outside before ever touching the handle. But in this story, caution is completely forgotten and curiosity takes over. Let us unravel what happens when a door is unlocked in the dead of night without asking a single question, and what telling truth awaits on the other side.
Ayun, may dumaan na kulay puti.
Did you spot the white figure passing behind the woman? If you did, what do you think it could be? They were undoubtedly shocked when they reviewed the CCTV footage, which is why it was shared with us today. But as always, I'll leave it to you to decide what it truly is.
Galing, nakuha na nila ng video yung ganon.
This footage was captured by a security camera at the main entrance of a factory. As you watch the surveillance clip, pay close attention. It catches something very unusual drifting into frame. And that's exactly what we'll be focusing on today. Take a close look. And as always, I'll leave it to you to be the judge. If you look closely as the man walks past, a shadow seems to stay behind. What do you think? Is it just a camera glitch? Or something paranormal that's hard to explain? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video.
Parang lang yung camera glitch lang siguro yan. Hindi mo masabing na multo siguro yan. Kasi pag nung lalaki, naiwan yung niya, yung anino, diba? Baka glitch lang ng camera yan. Pero, depende na lang sa paniniwala ng tao. Yan, yun. Pagka andar niya, naiwan yung niya, pero di rin natin masasabi, diba?
So, what do you think? Is this a real ghost, a camera glitch, or perhaps a different kind of unknown entity altogether? As always, I'll leave the final judgment up to you. Drop a comment down below with your thoughts, and let's start a discussion about what really happened here.
Bagay kung isipin mo, yun sa infrared din, no? Infrared talaga yan. Yung nga lang, di naman infrared yan eh.
An unexpected tragedy strikes on a busy highway, grinding traffic to a complete halt as flashing emergency lights illuminate a horrific crash. Inside the crumpled shell of a sedan, a man has tragically lost his life. But just a few yards away, standing near the roadside, is a figure dressed in all white. Bizarrely, his physical build, posture, and features are an exact mirror image of the man inside the vehicle. He wanders through the crowd in utter confusion, completely oblivious to the chaos around him.
Di rin natin alam kung totoo yan o hindi, di ba? Kasi di naman natin alam kung yung tsura kasi nakablur yung
This chilling scenario captures a claustral phenomenon known in paranormal lore as sudden spectral detachment or phantom awareness. When a traumatic accident claims a life in a fraction of a second, the mind and spirit experience such an overwhelming shock that they fail to comprehend their own demise. The soul continues to move through the physical world, trapped in a state of suspended disbelief, completely unaware that the tragic scene it is observing is its own final moment. To the man in white, he is simply standing in a traffic jam, wondering why no one will make eye contact or answer his questions. From a psychological and narrative perspective, this represents the ultimate tragic irony. A person witnessing their own passing without realizing it, He isn't trying to haunt anyone, he is simply trying to make sense of a world that has suddenly stopped acknowledging him. From a psychological and narrative perspective, this represents the ultimate tragic irony. A person witnessing their own passing without realizing it. He isn't trying to haunt anyone, he is simply trying to make sense of a world that has suddenly stopped acknowledging him.
Ayan, ano. Isipin mo, no? Pero pwede rin maaari na siya rin yan, na ano, kumbaga parang inosente siya, ano nangyari, di ba? Tama rin siya sabi ng ano. Kumbaga hindi niya alam kung ano nangyari. Tapos nakakaano lang doon, nakikita niya yung, kung makikita niya yung sarili niya, na ganun pala ang nangyari sa tagpong yan, di ba? Pero sa inyo na rin yun kung maniniwala kayo sa mga ganung bagay. Pero sometimes, masabi mong pwede mangyari, di ba? Kasi hindi pa naman natin experience yung mga ganun. Kaya minsan maniniwala rin tayo sa ganung bagay. Kumbaga pwede at maaari mangyari.
In this unbelievable clip, a man is seen calmly walking down the street as a pack of dogs aggressively barks at him. He appears completely unfazed by the potential danger, almost as if he knows something they don't. But then, an unexpected moment unfolds. Take a look.
Oy, nawala.
Did you notice how the man seemed to vanish into thin air right after patting the dogs? What do you think? Is this a genuine paranormal event, a camera glitch, or just an optical illusion playing tricks on our eyes? As always, I'll leave the judgment up to you. Into our final
Bagay kasi madalas ano yung mga ganun kasi mga glitch din no? Kaya di rin masabi kung totoo o hindi ang video na yun. Pero nasa inyo pa rin kung maniniwala kayo o hindi. O sa tingin nyo, kung tama ba nakikita ng ating mga mata. Diba? Kasi parang ano masasabi mong pwedeng totoo, pwedeng glitch. Diba?
Did you notice how the man seemed to vanish into thin air right after patting the dogs? What do you think? Is this a genuine paranormal event, a camera glitch, or just an optical illusion?
Kasi pag ano niya pala, naglalakad pa lang siya, nag-ano na yung ano, parang dating parang na ano, parang naglalaho na siya, no? Yun, no? Yung mga ano, sparkle tawag kumbaga.
I'll leave the judgment up to you.
Di lang
Into
natin
our
masabi
final
kung ano talaga yung kung totoo o hindi. Kaya sabi nga niya, kayo na bahala ang humusga.
Event, a camera glitch, or just an optical illusion playing tricks on our eyes. As always, I'll leave the judgment up to you. Into our final clip, this video went viral on social media after capturing an eerie encounter between a delivery driver and his customer. Whether this mysterious incident was real or staged remains unknown. Let's take a look at what unfolded.
Oh, kahit sino takbo dyan
Whether these stories are real or not, always remember to say a quick prayer before bed after watching videos like these, just to keep any dark entities or negative spirits at bay while you sleep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe and good night.
Alright. So,
This
sa
next
last,
clip comes from an urban
so, sa last video na yun, marami, kumbaga pinag-usapan yan kumbaga sabi nga daw yan CGI lang daw to talaga. Pero marami rin ang naniwala na baka daw totoo. Pero more on CGI yung ganito kasi
are real or not. Always remember to say a quick prayer before bed after.
pero sa inyo na rin yun kung maniniwala kayo o hindi. So sana boss, mga master, mabutit dyan nagustuhan nyo rin yung mga napanood natin ngayong araw na to. At sana wag nyo kalimutan mag-like, mag-follow, and mag-subscribe sa akin channel. Alright? So, thank you nga pala sa mga nag-share ng mga video na in-upload ko dito sa Huwag Kang Matakot. Alright? So, hanggang doon na lang. At once again, Maraming salamat. Adios mga butet.